If you've ever cringed hearing your own voice or stopped singing because you didn't feel confident, I get it. There was a period of time when I completely stopped singing. I absolutely loved singing, but one bad performance and a few too many self judgments later, I just couldn't do it anymore. I threw away 20 years of training and performing overnight, and I didn't come back to singing for another 9 years. What I learned is that confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from feeling safe to be heard. That's exactly what I help my students to do inside Find Your Voice. It's a 12-week journey that blends vocal technique, mindset, and confidence training so you can finally sing and speak with freedom. Whether you want to sing, perform, or just stop doubting yourself every time you open your mouth, this is for you. You don't need confidence to start. You'll build it when you do. If you're ready to find your voice, click below. I can't wait to help you love the way you sound again.